If you've ever spent a sunny afternoon wrestling with hoses, tangled cables, or that stubborn pool brush, you know the pain of keeping a big pool clean. But what if I told you there's a cordless robot that can clean pools up to 3,230 square feet and last over 3 hours? Today, we're putting the WYBOT S2 Inground pool vacuum to the test. Let's see if it's worth a spot in your backyard arsenal. Cordless design. Presenter, poolside, placing vacuum into pool. First up, cordless freedom. No messy power cords, no external pumps, no tripping hazards. You just charge it, drop it in, and it's off. Massive coverage. This little guy can handle pools up to 3,230 square feet. That's a lot of surface area, whether you've got an Olympic-sized backyard pool or a large resort-style setup. 210-minute runtime. It lasts up to 3.5 hours on a single charge. That's enough to get the job done in one session for most big pools. Smart navigation system. It doesn't just wander aimlessly. The built-in navigation tech maps your pool and follows an efficient cleaning path, avoiding random overlaps and missed spots. Dual filtration and touch/app modes. The dual filter system traps everything from leaves and bugs to fine debris and sand. Plus, you can control it manually using touch buttons or dive into the mobile app for more customization. Powerful yet gentle cleaning. Presenter. It's got enough suction to pick up stubborn debris, but is still safe for all types of pool surfaces, from vinyl liners to concrete. Huge time saver. Instead of spending half a day cleaning, I just let the S2 run while I work or relax, and the pool's spotless when I come back. App convenience. The app lets me schedule cleans, choose cleaning modes, and check battery levels without even getting my hands wet. Charging time. It takes several hours to fully recharge, so if you're running multiple back-to-back cleanings, you'll need to wait in between. Price tag. It's definitely on the higher end compared to budget pool vacuums, but you're paying for smart features, long runtime, and big pool capacity. During my test, it handled everything. Fine sand at the bottom, leaves near the steps, and even climbed the walls for a full waterline scrub. By the time it was done, the pool water was crystal clear. So, is the WYBOT S2 worth it? If you've got a large pool, value your time, and want smart, cordless cleaning that actually works, I'd say absolutely yes. It's an investment that pays you back in weekends saved. You can check it out for yourself using the link below, https://amzn to /4lv3u0n, and give your pool the upgrade it deserves. Thanks for watching. Now if you'll excuse me, I've got a pool to enjoy without a vacuum hose in sight.